Every creator's bag tells a story, and this is mine. Today I'll show you the exact gear that I use to make cinematic videos without breaking the bank. Starting off with my camera, the one that I'm using right now. It's the Canon R50V. It's small, lightweight, and honestly one of the best entry-level cameras if you're looking for professional looking results. Dare I say, it's one of the best creator cameras that you can get now. I use it for almost everything from product photography shots all the way up to vacation recaps. But a camera is only as good as its lens, and my go-to lens is the Sigma 10 to 18mm f2.8. It's wide, fast, and sharp, and lets me capture big cinematic scenes as well as creative angles for product videography. And that f2.8 is nothing to sleep on. This helps immensely when you're using a crop sensor and trying to do low light shots. And with that 10 to 18mm, it gives me about the equivalent of 16 to 29 on a full frame camera. And when I'm running and gunning, since the R50V doesn't have in-body stabilization, it gives me about a 22 to 40mm when I'm using the enhanced image stabilization. If all else fails and I only needed one lens, this would be the lens that I would choose. And so we talked about the camera, the lens, and the last thing we have to address is the audio. I like to bring with me the DJI Mic Mini. The Mic Mini makes sure that I can capture great audio wherever I go, and with its small packaging, it makes it 10 times easier to just travel with. And that's made easy with its tiny carrying case. If you saw my last video linked up here, you know that lighting can make or break your shot. I use the Neewer HB80C light. Whether I want clean light or cinematic colors, this light handles it all. The Neewer HB80C is a portable light that has an internal battery that can actually go up to 80 watts. Additionally, this light has a phone's mount, which makes it compatible with a ton of different light modifiers. And the perfect sidekick for this light would be the Neewer Basics RGB flashlight. With the gobos and everything, it is a perfect accent light, as well as a portable light when I need it for product videography. And just like my main light, this is also another RGB light, limited to yellow, white, blue, and red. But it's a great light to use when you're using the gobos, just because it tends to give your background more of a different taste. I mainly use this light when I'm out in the field running and gunning, but it's great to have when you're in the studio and you just need something that can be used as a spotlight. And with 20 different gobos, this makes this one of the most versatile items that I keep in my bag. This setup is simple, affordable, and gets the job done. It proves that you don't need overly expensive gear to create cinematic results. You just need a creative mind and the means to do so. So that's my full kit for 2025. What's one piece of gear that you can't live without? Drop it in the comments. If you like what you see and you want to know how I use this setup to film commercials, stick around for my next video.